This is Paul Turner, the Immigration Barrister at Imperium Chambers. Thank you for clicking on my channel. Please hit the notification button for up-to-date immigration news. They're coming out on a daily basis at the moment to try and keep people up to speed with what's happening. Today I'm going to be talking about some positive news for spouses and partners and people applying for indefinite leave to remain. This is one of my first of the videos which combines law and some how to or what to do practices. The first thing I would say is that if you're thinking of making a spouse or partner application, or indeed any type of application at all, or just want some honest advice, please feel free to get in touch with me. The immigration rules are very complicated. When it comes to applying for leave to remain as a spouse or a partner, or indeed indefinite leave to remain, many of our clients have been worried if they have been outside the United Kingdom for over 180 days. Indeed, we've had quite a lot of refusals, and I'll come to that later. However, these refusals are wrong, as the law does allow you to, in certain circumstances, to be outside the country under these routes for over 180 days. Therefore, if you are a migrant that has made it through either the 5-year or 10-year route and you want to apply for indefinite leave to remain, you cannot, in theory, normally have been outside the United Kingdom for 180 days. However, there is a warning to this. The Home Office often overlooks this part of the rules, a part that helps migrants, and so be warned and make sure you get advice before you make any application. I've had many nervous conversations with clients as they try to tot up their absences from the United Kingdom in the past year or so to find out whether or not they've been outside the country for 180 days. But thankfully, and this is the crux of this video, the 180-day rule does not apply if you are on the spouse or partner route. Put simply, if you are a partner or a spouse of a British citizen, there is no 180-day cut-off rule. However, it is vital that the law and the exception to the 180-day period is spelt out clearly in any representations, as the Home Office are known for its incompetence and its failure to properly consider the rules. And the 180-day absence has caused a great many people to suffer illegal and unnecessary refusals, so do be warned. However, this is, looking at it in the round, excellent news for people trying to remain in the United Kingdom lawfully, extend their leave, or even obtain indefinite leave to remain in the United Kingdom as the partner of a British citizen. Ultimately, what it means is that the client will be able to travel for work and holidays without the fear that they won't be allowed to extend their leave or apply for ILR if they're outside the United Kingdom for more than 180 days. However, there is a word of caution. Instead of the strict 180-day limit, partners and spouses do still intend to have to live in the United Kingdom permanently after they were granted indefinite leave to remain. And the Home Office guidance says that this can be proved by showing how long they've been in the United Kingdom previously. So if you have spent most of your time outside the United Kingdom, you might be in trouble. But context here is important. If you're outside the United Kingdom visiting relatives who are ill or because of work commitments, this will be looked at far more sympathetically than if you have simply been lying on a beach in Antigua, or, as the Foreign Secretary, living in a luxury hotel in Crete or wherever it was he was. So what does this mean? You still have to be careful about your absences from the United Kingdom. You will still need to have good evidence to explain these absences. So whilst it may be good news that the 180-day limit does not apply as a strict cut-off to spouses or partners of British people, in fact it is more complicated when it comes to justifying your time from the United Kingdom if you want to, as I say, obtain further leave as a spouse or a partner, or ultimately get indefinite leave to remain in the United Kingdom. And this is where I can come in and help you, because I have a great deal of experience in dealing with this and have secured people visas where they've been outside the United Kingdom for far longer than 180 days. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed this slightly different topic. Please comment on it. Please see if there's any particular issues you wish me to cover, and I'll be more than happy to do so in further videos. In the meantime, do stay safe during these dangerous times of the pandemic. Take care of yourself and your family. Once again, thank you for watching. This is Paul Turner, the Immigration Barrister at Imperium Chambers.